Wake me up at dawn.
Kwame, it's time to wake up. You have lectures today.
Staring at the open sky at 11.
Father God, we thank you for this wonderful meeting. Thank you for all these wonderful personalities here. Thank you for teamwork, arriving safely and everything, safety of our movement. Father God, we commit all our activities into your hands. As planned, let's execute all of them successfully. Let's achieve maximum and even better in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you for everything you've done for us. Glory and adoration be unto you. We say you are Lord of Lords, you are King of Kings. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen.
Amen.
You see the way if the niggas they play games and things, you see how if you see them at faculty, how the faculty be very busy. Sometimes people they dance for the faculty in front. They call them at Dom's faculty. So people they dance, some people they do steps for front. People they play game for the inside. You see the way if you guys go now, they enter now, then greet everybody, they raise them hand like this, then they take beer, then they pop them and loose. That's my chest. If you say it for B.
I almost said.
Yeah, I like it. Perfect. Oh! Right, I like it. Let's kill the bureau. I chew the bones. Yeah, today we are shooting a film. Yeah, titled Busy Signal. I'm the director, Special Knack. You can call me Nana Samaka. As you can see, I am directing a film today. Yeah, follow me, let me show you. The best you can get when it comes to lighting, everything. Lead cinematographer, best. Follow me, come. I am getting to a group of young guys. Let's go. You see this guy? That's fun. He's the editor responsible for editing too, okay? Yeah, if you need all the cuts, all the transitions. If the edit doesn't go, I beg. France, come in now. Get him to cut, okay? This is the. You see some animations in the film very soon, okay? This is the guy responsible for the animation, for the edits, all the effects. Yeah, Caleb. and this is Sly, okay? Citido. Yeah, he's a drone pilot and also the sound guy. He doubles on the sound guy. You know, if Rollins no day, he said Rollins they fly plane. If Rollins no day, with this guy, they fly everything. So if you fly, your dreams go future. Yeah, that'll be hard. He said I should have an open door, because this lady, if the story no be complete, she's the co-writer, okay? The co-writer for the film, yeah, and the script supervisor. So if the actress doesn't deliver their lines well, take her to court. Child, this girl, she dey work for Hollywood and so I beg watch am. Very soon she will come out Isari from there. It's not coming from me though. Let's go. This guy is one of the baddest cinematographers. Let's go. Yeah. He's another cinematographer, okay? If the lighting doesn't come out clean, the camera could take him to court. He's responsible for it. Okay. Let's go. want to show you a group of actors. The Denzel Washingtons, the Taraji P. Henson, the Patience Ozookors, the Chewas, the Jackals. This guy is one of the best actors you can get. Watch out for him. He's the next big thing. Yeah, you know, I told you the next big thing is the best actor. Okay, the next big thing after Michael B. Jordan, after Denzel Washington. Watch out for us, okay? Hollywood, we are coming. Yeah, that's his PA, Diamond. Let's show you. This is one of the actors, Kennedy. Best actor. You can't get the West from him, you know. That's our camera on standby. We activate you. Meet Black Yes, Black Jesus, you know. Yeah. One of the actors, the best actor you can get. Superb. You see this guy? Let me skip you. Let's go. Yeah, this is one of my actors too, you know. Yeah, if you need him for all your acting, he takes acting classes on Pornhub. No money will take fund the set. Production manager. She get money rough. She's called Debbie, okay? You guys watch out for her. She's bringing her production team, okay? Everything's some production. Everything some production. The last guy they go to if he says that the story is not good, there's no realism, aesthetics, visual storytelling, so no, it's a final no. He's my creative director. He's even my director. So the director's director. He directs the director. My boss. Director Osafo Charlie. He get money KK, but I know they won't give me some. So he like Charlie. And the guy behind the camera, thank you for this amazing work. Sanito the King, you have always been good. You know what? You're going to Hollywood. Tell them you're coming, okay? See them see. Yeah, we are rolling. Silence on 3, 2, 1 and action. So we just finished with just one small scene and it took us 3 years. If I get experience, we will take up fast next time, man. And some cable delayed, but don't worry. We are going to the next one, which is he coming on campus. So watch out. Okay, so next location, this is where we shoot the restaurant scene, and he comes to the restaurant to meet his friend, and we have people there talking the school cafeteria, I should put it that way. So yeah, positive, yeah. That's how we do it. And a couple of shots, we are moving into the next scene.
It's 600.
Go back! No, make it. Oh no, make it going. It's
Pure laughter, master of fun, the praise of awesome.
Yes. Just finish this shot. Finally, we are going to the party scene. What the time? 8:35 p.m. 48 hours film project. We ain't stopping. Let's go. Party scene.
So today's shoot was successful. We shot into the midnight and it's currently 3 a.m. and we are going on a short break. We will be resuming in the next 5 hours to wrap up everything. So stay tuned. It was such a tiring day. Can't see.
Wait, don't go. Did you know?
Wait.
Yes. So in the next 5 hours we'll be here, back to work.
Wait.
Did you know?
Don't stop recording. Did you know? We are all tired. It's been a hell of a day, you know. I'm here with my PM and Charlie. It's crazy for you. We left with just a C. Should I say a C? Our PM. It's gonna be 5. You can see my eye.
We've not slept, so we've not slept back to back non-stop.
And it will still
But
be
it's worth it.
submitted.
It's worth it.
Submitted before 6 p.m., right?
Of course.
Editors on standby. It's gonna be crazy.
Yeah. And everyone was on point, both casting crew. Shout out to you all.
Hello guys, this is the second day 48 hours film project. We are shooting Busy Signal. Finished the party scene yesterday, just 2 hours ago. We finished the party scene at 5. We landed here at 6. The team had to rest, so we are taking off for the next scene, and we are hoping to make everything wonderful for you to see. So you know what? We thank God. Alhamdulillah, it must happen. Well, I think I take my.
You have changed. It doesn't matter, you have changed. So just where you will not maintain this. Are you ready?
You won't make the thing be very special. Rolling.
Action.
Don't worry. It's weekend.
And I like the fact that you end way. You take your phone, you take your glasses. In the midst of social media, we don't throw them away. You just tear it off.
So you sleep with your glasses on?
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it's a wrap.
I didn't sleep with my glasses.
I got up and picked
It's a wrap.
already watching.
It's a wrap finally. I'm stressed. We need to edit. We have just 2 hours to edit. We need to edit and submit as soon as possible. My editing team is there editing. We hope we deliver the best work. We have just 2 hours. I'm doing some paperwork concerning music release, location, properties, and all those things. Let's do this.
Nobody even lost. He comes.
Make I say, yeah, Black Magic Ross, Black Magic Raw. Make I say.
If you need any AI with the talk, you can just shoot down.
Just wait. How many mounts you rent?
1.
You should see really small.
So,
I check out.
talk all 3 hours. Go finish.
Yo.
When you motion.
Yeah, I